And of course, there was a senior U.S. delegation that traveled to Doha over the weekend for meetings with the Taliban on Saturday and Sunday. There were 2 days of meetings. We issued a readout of that, but as we said in that readout, the meetings were candid, they were professional, they were businesslike, they were largely positive. The delegation made clear, as we consistently have, that the Taliban will ultimately be judged not only on its words, but solely on its actions.
Ich will ausdrücklich begrüßen, dass die Europäische Union in Form der Kommissionspräsidentin heute noch mal zusätzliche 1 Milliarde Euro zur Verfügung gestellt hat für all diese Aufgaben, die im Zusammenhang mit Afghanistan zu sehen sind. Und
credo che sia la prima occasione in cui i leader hanno dato una risposta multilaterale alla crisi afghana. Ed è veramente uno dei primi casi, prime affermazioni di multilateralismo che c'è stata quest'anno.